Good morning, everyone. I am Ariana Escalante, and welcome to day one of winter add-ons. I know, I'm asking myself the same question. How on earth does the year go by so fast? I don't know, but the good news is that we get fun little things when winter comes, right? We get to be cozy and have fun with our friends. So today we are talking about winter add-ons. That's right, our winter add-ons are opened to annual select members this morning. You have 1 week to stock up on the latest in fashion, home, tech, jewelry. You're going to find holiday gifts for your friends, for yourselves, sometimes most importantly, remember that self-care, and for the men in your life. There is absolutely something here for everyone. All right, right now I'm highlighting some of my picks for stocking stuffers. Remember, you are shopping deals up to 70% off. So my question is, why not get a head start on holiday shopping? You would be crazy not to. We all know that we think, oh, I have so much time before Christmas gets here, but guess what? Then all of a sudden you blink, and if you're like me, you wake up and you wonder where the time went. So now is the time to start. Before I get started, I just want to remind you that this is meant to be an open conversation. This is a live show. So if you're watching this live right now, be sure to be commenting in, asking your questions, saying hello, maybe tell us where you're watching from. I'm really curious where you grew up, where you're from, so that we can say hello and shout you out. Also, be sure to ask us any questions about the products that we're showing you today, and also let us know, are you a member yet? If not, we welcome you. If you are, we love you. We love all of you, and let's get started. My first pick for a stocking stuffer this year, this is something that everyone is going to love and everyone can use. These are the fun socks. How cute are these? Look at these two designs. They're both holiday, they are so fun, they're glam, they're cozy. We have two options that you get to choose from Living Royal. This is the Let's Get Bubbly, and of course over here, the Christmas Llama. So speaking of where we're tuning in from, I actually was born and raised on a llama farm, which I know sounds so random and it sounds like I'm making it up, but I'm not. So I know which ones I would choose. Llamas are the best. These would also be great for a Secret Santa or maybe even a white elephant party. If you and your friends or your coworkers are gonna have a fun little party, this is a no-brainer. Next up is the Tryst Mini Contour travel set right here. This set includes this mini travel bag, which is so fun. So you can see right here it has just this really cute little zipper. It's kind of a cylindrical, I haven't used that word in a long time, kind of this really cute like cylinder case. It's nice and squishy, and so that means that you can just throw it straight into your bag and you don't have to worry about, getting banged up or anything like that, and you can just stick all of your little highlighter sticks right in here. So let's show you what you get with this travel bag. So you get these three really cute little mini sets. So this is the baby bronzer right here. The baby bronzer stick, here I'll pop this lid off. This is what it looks like here. Pop the lid off, and this can be used for contouring, for bronzing, whatever you want to. You can kind of like run it along the nose, get your contour going on. And I love it because it's this really nice, easy application. It's so creamy, it's so smooth, and it has that kind of nice neutral bronzy tone, not too cool, not too warm, so you can use it for both contouring and for bronzing. 2-in-1, I am always a huge fan of that. Next is, of course, the blush stick. So this is this really super pretty, kind of a coral, if you ask me. It's, again, one of those tones that I feel looks great on everyone. So it has this nice, just, it's so youthful, it's energetic, it's bright, it's fun, and it's especially great for winter because, as we all know, sometimes in winter, you're maybe forgetting to hydrate as much as we need to, or it's just cold outside. So this is a nice little just kind of bringing life back to the face. And then last but not least in this set is what we cannot live without, which is our highlight. This is our mini highlight stick right here. So of course, this is something that you can just use along, the décolletage, the brow bone. If I'm feeling really drama, then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit even on my shoulders. But this is really, really pretty. It has this nice, not too shimmery, not too glittery. It's just this awesome, beautiful highlight. So you can contour the bronzer, the blush will give you what you need, and the highlight are all beautiful. Okay, moving on to the next one. This is the next pick, the BIOS Apothecary Cuticle Salve. I'm gonna pick this one up. This is something that you may not think to pick for yourself, but you absolutely should. This nourishes the cuticles, it nourishes the hands, so I just pick some up on my finger right here. and then just kind of like rub it right into your nail beds with a moisturizing blend of plant-based lipids and beeswax. Just use your fingertip and massage into the cuticle and nail as needed. All right, let's go to some comments after this. So we want to say hello from Long Beach, Ohio, Florida, Utah. Utah's my home state. Hi, if we know each other. North Carolina, Michigan, and Quebec. Awesome. Welcome, everyone. I'm so happy to see you all here and that we get to talk about winter add-ons today. So we have a question over here. Cassie Valentine says, hello from Idaho. Been a member for 2 years. Awesome. Welcome, welcome. We love you. Congratulations on your 2-year mark. Deanna Evans says, my shopping is already done. Thank you, FabFitFun. Deanna knows what she's doing. I'm gonna take a cue from Deanna and make sure to get on top of that shopping. So congratulations. One more is Sharon Bennett asks, is this the winter box? No, so these are actually the winter add-ons, and they're open right now on FabFitFun for select members. But if you're not a select member yet, that is okay, because you can become one today if you want to and shop these winter add-ons. We have one more, which is Jan Ma says, great add-ons, love the products. Jan, we are so glad to hear that you love the products too. And let's get back into it with the winter add-ons. So next is this awesome, the Chateau Spill the Red Wine Stain Remover. Everyone knows that we need this. If we're being honest with ourselves, we know that this is gonna come in handy at least at some point this winter season. It's fast acting and also works well on berries, on makeup, and tons of other common stains. It's just this really easy spritzer right here. It even looks like this cute little wine bottle. It's an all-natural product with non-peroxide or chlorine. It's also safe for color-fast, washable fabrics. This is something that if I were gonna go on a trip, maybe go to a family event, and you know that you're gonna maybe be having some desserts that have berries or be drinking wine, keep this with you and you will thank yourself later. If you are just tuning in, welcome. I'm Ariana Escalante, and you are tuned in to a winter add-ons edition of FabFitFun Live. Because this is live, you can actually just be commenting along, ask your questions, say hello, tell us where you are watching from, and we will be interacting. I have my iPad here ready to say hi to you. You can also shop along in our sale right now if you are an annual select member. All members will have access to shop on Sunday. If you are not a member yet, welcome. You can sign up today on FabFitFun.com and you can shop right now if you choose an annual membership. Your future you will thank you. All right, back to my picks for the perfect stocking stuffers. You can add this to your cart right at this moment. This is a game that you can play with your friends. This is the Who We Are card game. This is a really fun idea, getting together with your family, with your friends. It's actually fascinating to me that we can spend so much time with people and not really ask them the questions, that we wonder about, right? So this is the perfect opportunity to kind of ask your friends, really get to know them. So it's this really fun card game right here on the front, Who We Are Friends Edition. And then if you flip it to the back, has questions on here. This one right here is, and actually you can answer this in the comments, okay? Are you more motivated when you are lagging behind the group or when you are ahead of the group, and why? It's actually, these are questions you should ask yourself, but also friends and family. This is an awesome, awesome one. We have some ladies asking what the Llama and champagne glasses are. Okay, if we can just right back over here. So the champagne glasses and this really adorable llama strung in Christmas lights, these are the socks. These are winter add-ons. You can add them to your box if you're a select member. You can also join as a select member today for an annual membership and get these babies. They're so cute, cozy. I'm gonna pick them up just one more time. They're like these cute little kind of ankle socks right here. On the back, Living Royal, of course, and they're just soft, they're stretchy. These fit anywhere from a 5 to an 11, so one size fits most on these. Okay, time for a biggie. These Beats by Dre headphones. I know, I was completely thinking the same thing, that you can actually get these as a winter add-on, Beats by Dre. Yeah, it's amazing. These are these really cool wired headphones featuring updated acoustics for enhanced clarity, comfortable wear, and a durable, compact folding design for easy portability. So I'm going to show you by kind of putting one of these in my ear right here. So if you kind of come around the side here, I think, oh, there we go. So these is really, really cute, fun design. They're really, really comfortable. They're just this kind of really soft, very ergonomic fit. And these have the enhanced quality coming in from Beats by Dre. And they're just an awesome, awesome gift for yourself, a great stocking stuffer if you're feeling generous. If it were me, I would maybe keep them. Question on these ones. I'm curious what you would listen to first. Comment down below. I want to know what playlist you're listening to right now, what album, holiday, anything it is. Next up, Ahava Mineral Hand Cream Trio. Now, I love this because it's travel friendly, it's rich and creamy, and it helps nourish those dry, itchy skin and maintain softness. Now, this is really important to keep in mind during winter because obviously in the wintertime we get so dry. So remember to be hydrating first and foremost, but on top of that, you definitely need to be kind of nourishing that skin. So I'm gonna demo this for you. So I still have on here our awesome little mini set over here, but this is the Ahava. So when you squeeze it out, it's just this really nice, oh, it feels so good. It's just really rich formula. You can kind of see it there. It has this really just very, very natural kind of almost essential oils type scent, but very subtle. So it's just, you know, it doesn't feel like it's going to compete with any other fragrances or perfumes. It feels so soft, and you can use it as kind of a daily wear. Now, keep one in your car or purse or on your vanity. So this set in particular comes with a set of all three. So this is three 1.3 ounce tubes of Ahava Sea-Kissed hand cream. It's also made in Israel. Now, another thing I love about it is that after I've put it on, my hands don't feel too slippery. You know, so you can throw this on and still drive, do what you need to do. I absolutely love it. All right, my last pick, perfect for gifting, is the Ish Nail Lacquer Trio right here. Ish polishes are fantastic. They're long-lasting wear, and I love that it comes with these three elegant shades. We have Shimmer in Indigo, Silver Lining, and Shine On. So you can pick from one of three color combinations, which is really fun. So really suit it to your personality or to your wardrobe, your skin tone. You can pick any of these three sets. These are cruelty-free and made right here in the US. These are all such fun products. You are getting such great deals with these items, but you could actually buy one set for gifts and one for yourself. Call me crazy, but that's probably what I would do. Just something to keep in mind that this is such a great deal, up to 70% off of these things, that you might as well just knock out all of your holiday shopping right now, if you were to ask me. I love talking products, so I will be back again during FabFitFun Live to share my picks for your holiday haul. Now that is coming up at 11 a.m., so be sure to tune in. You may also have the chance to win some of these items that you see right in front of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you back here at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for more. I'm Ariana Escalante, and I'll see you there.